Is carrot juice good for you? Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we ask, is carrot juice good for you, and explain what it can actually do to your body, and then later in the video we will also explain how to make carrot juice. Carrots are crunchy and a highly nutritious root vegetable. They are cheap to buy and readily available worldwide. But is carrot juice good for you? Well, carrots can certainly help your eyesight. Carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene and lutein, and these are antioxidants that can help prevent eye damage caused by free radicals. Beta-carotene gives many red, orange and yellow plants their colour, and orange carrots are especially high in beta-carotene, which once eaten your body converts into vitamin A, and a lack of vitamin A can lead to night blindness. And yellow carrots contain lutein, which can help prevent age-related macular degeneration, which is basically a condition in which your vision gradually blurs and becomes lost. Carrots can also boost your immune system. Carrots contain antioxidants which help your body fight free radicals, which prevent cell damage and inflammation. Carrots are high in fibre, which helps prevent constipation and can also help protect against colon cancer by promoting digestive regularity. And certain antioxidants in carrots have also been shown to have anti-cancer effects, and cancer develops when abnormal cells form and multiply uncontrollably. Therefore, the antioxidants in carrots can help stop cell damage occurring. Carrots have a low glycemic index, therefore do not cause a large spike in blood sugar when you eat them, and their fibre content helps stabilise blood sugar levels. Orange carrots are high in lycopene, which is a heart protective antioxidant, and they're believed to help reduce heart disease risk factors such as high blood pressure. They can also help lower cholesterol levels, since they're an excellent source of potassium, and lower cholesterol levels help reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Although not as effective as sunscreen, both lycopene and beta-carotene antioxidants can provide some protection against the sun. Also, if you have a history of skin problems such as rashes, adding carrot juice to your diet can help improve the appearance of your skin. And carrots contain vitamin C, which has healing properties, and it helps the skin recover faster from wounds and trauma. And beta-carotene in carrots also reduces skin inflammation, which speeds the healing process. Carrots are also low in calories and high in fibre, therefore eating them increases feelings of fullness, which can prevent overeating and help weight loss. And the beta-carotene in carrot juice may also help improve brain function and reduce the risk of age-related memory problems such as dementia. So basically, there are many reasons to eat carrots. They can benefit your eyes, digestive system, as well as your heart, skin, brain and overall health. And to make carrot juice is really simple. Just wash, peel and cube some carrots, add to a blender with a cup or two of water and blend. And once blended, just simply strain the juice in a sieve using a spoon to push down on the pulp and drink. So we hope you found this video of interest. Until next time, goodbye.